Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest camper reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury and performance with the 2026 Tesla Maybach Motorhome. A masterpiece of design and engineering, this motorhome sets new standards for both comfort and power. As you step inside, you're greeted with a spacious and elegantly designed living area that blends futuristic aesthetics with functional luxury. The living room area includes a massive OLED smart display, a studio-grade sound system, and a panoramic electrochromic window for breathtaking views on the road. The kitchen is fully equipped with the latest smart appliances, including an automated coffee station, a touchscreen refrigerator, and even a climate-controlled wine chamber for those who enjoy the finer things in life. The bedroom with a king-size Maybach comfort bed offers unmatched relaxation, and the ensuite spa-style bathroom features premium fixtures, ensuring that you have all the comforts of home even when you're on the move. Now, moving to the exterior, the 2026 Tesla Maybach Motorhome is a true work of art. With its sleek aerodynamic silhouette, it glides through the air effortlessly, improving both efficiency and driving stability. The exterior is finished with a luxury-grade ceramic metallic coating, which not only looks stunning, but also provides exceptional durability. The large retractable smart awning creates a perfect outdoor lounge area, while the custom-forged alloy wheels and signature dual Tesla Maybach emblems add a touch of exclusivity. The motorhome is built on a lightweight but incredibly strong next-gen EV chassis, making it easy to handle without sacrificing strength or stability. The attention to detail on the exterior is exceptional, ensuring that this motorhome stands out wherever you go. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Tesla Maybach Motorhome is powered by a state-of-the-art electric powertrain that combines immense power with extraordinary efficiency. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating challenging terrain, this motorhome delivers an exceptional driving experience. The quad-motor setup provides instant torque and smooth acceleration, while the adaptive air suspension system ensures a refined ride even on rough surfaces. The motorhome is equipped with an intelligent, self-optimizing transmission software that adjusts seamlessly, providing you with the perfect balance between power and comfort. Additionally, the Tesla Maybach Motorhome features advanced autonomous drive technology, making it easier to maneuver tight spaces and busy streets. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Tesla Maybach Motorhome is undoubtedly a premium product, and its price reflects that. With a starting price of around $750,000, it's not an option for the budget-conscious, but for those seeking the pinnacle of luxury and performance, it offers exceptional value. The price tag includes all the handcrafted features, the groundbreaking electric performance, and the unmatched craftsmanship that comes with the Tesla and Maybach names. When you invest in this motorhome, you're not just buying a vehicle, you're investing in a lifestyle. To sum up, the 2026 Tesla Maybach Motorhome is an extraordinary blend of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. It offers a level of comfort and sophistication that is unmatched in the world of motorhomes. Whether you're planning a long road trip or simply want the ultimate luxury experience on wheels, the Tesla Maybach Motorhome delivers on all fronts. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.